Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to easily change the time format of your Y68 smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here again, and for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to easily change your Y68 time format, because I think sometimes we want our time format to be like a 12-hour format and sometimes a 24-hour format. So guys, it's just very easy. You can do this with your eyes closed. Okay, so here we go guys. Are you ready? So here it is, and we have our time is 2:30, and if we want to change it into 24-hour format, so it will be our 14:30. So here it goes guys. So just click that circular button there, and ta-da! It will change its watch face and also the time format. So it's already 14:30 guys. So if you want to change it back, so all you have to do is just long press this circular icon here, and ta-da! You can have your digital watch face and also a 12-hour format. Okay guys, so I think that's easy. And then if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions about a video that you want me to make, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.